To introduce this series of videos about the link between carbon, climate, and agriculture, here is the first video explaining simply what carbon is. You probably heard about carbon here, carbon there, but what is it really? Carbon is an element, namely a small unit that forms a matter. Other elements are, for example, oxygen or hydrogen. There is a total of 118 elements that are classified into the periodic table. The different combinations of these elements form every single thing that exists, from the air you breathe and the water you drink to your body or the item in your house and even the house itself. Carbon is involved in the formation of a large variety of things, including coal, diamond, and also carbon dioxide, best known as CO2. You can think of it as a single Lego block that, along with other elements such as oxygen or hydrogen for example, will form different objects. Carbon is present in solid, liquid, and gaseous form depending on the surrounding pressure and temperature. Examples of its solid forms are the diamond or the graphite. Graphite can be formed under the usual conditions of temperature and pressure, which are 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 1 standard atmosphere. Diamonds require a higher pressure to be formed, which is why we find them deep in the ground. The gaseous form of carbon is called carbine and is formed when the temperature is high and the surrounding pressure is low to moderate. The liquid form is only present when both the temperature and pressure are high. This is the rarest form of carbon. Carbon can be found in nature in organic, inorganic, and mineral forms. The organic carbon is a skeleton of compounds made of carbon: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, halogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. These compounds are called hydrocarbons, and among them are the methane, petroleum products. The inorganic carbon is rare in terms of variety. It exists mostly as complexes that integrate CO or CO2. Mineral carbon is found in rocks, such as limestone, marble for example. Carbon is found everywhere, and life on Earth depends on it. Plants are mostly made of carbon, and they are essential to life as they produce O2 and are the food of a lot of animals. It is present in nearly every biological compound that forms the bodies or organs or cells. As we saw earlier, it is also present in petroleum products such as gasoline at the gas station, but also in rocks. Carbon is also the main compound of charcoal, but also diamond. Isn't it crazy that those two materials have exactly the same composition? Carbon is also present in the CO2 that you exhale when you're breathing, in the graphite of your pencil, and in the plastic of your Lego blocks. These are examples, but of course many other objects, living beings, have carbon into their composition.